In the new normal, we're in another dimension, not only of sight and of sound, but of mind. Hello again, everyone. I'm Eli's dad with Project Eli, and I was able to get Mr. Rod Serling to come help us out today. So I'm going to turn it over to Mr. Rod Serling from the Twilight Zone. In a flower garden, purportedly to give a briefing on the latest scourge to challenge mankind. Instead, he verbalizes a series of self-serving vignettes, but in reality, the final destination is the Twilight Zone. He currently resides in a picturesque mansion at one time known for its leadership, but more recently related to other events, having some of the less positive pursuits of humankind. He stands not alone, but with a highly recognized team. His chief aide, a Peter Graves wannabe, speaks only when he can remove his cranium from betwixt his boss's very cheeks. His other chief aide, with the unusual moniker of Jared, can thank his galactic stars that he is a member of the Lucky Sperm Club, and that he married the female child of the Pharaoh. So it is written, so it shall be done. There are countless mentions of a snoozing Joseph, whose elevation to the royal court would, without question, end the Republic as surely as the sun rises in the east, near China. Yet it is he, the Donald, that chooses not to interpret the dreams correctly by leaving the destiny of a great whole in the hands of 50 different generals, thus allowing him to point an accusing digit in the direction of others, deflecting the blame and accepting the credit. It is he, not Joseph, who wears the coat of many colors. There is also the squirming woman that cringes as the Pharaoh suggests making bricks without straw. It seems only an injection of Lysol could curtail her embarrassment. Her beloved science is constantly being crushed under the Pharaoh's chariot wheels. She pines for his scientific silence and for his decree to let her people go. There is also the revered one, the one to whom mothers and fathers trust their daughters without a curfew. He who has the faith of the people like an Einstein of modern times. He who is short of stature but abundant with integrity. But the star of the show is he who sees no evil, speaks no evil, and hears no evil. He bully pulpits the Fourth Estate and networks with the foxes. They are seated on the right. When questioned, he proves that denial is not just a river in Egypt. Submitted for your approval, one plan, inspired by science, not 50 disjointed directions that will lead us to the Twilight Zone. All right, well, thank you very much, Mr. Sterling. I appreciate your input, and I'm not going to comment any further. You said it all. And because we will never end a meeting on a philosophical note or a show on a philosophical note, let's get out there and stay out of the Twilight Zone and charge! I'm Eli's dad.